Okay, the next ridiculous project is I'm putting in a new exhaust. I got the old and new one laid out there, and they seem like they're gonna fit okay. The new one's the one on the right there, not rusted. The problem I eventually got to is this is so rusted out. I've welded it a number of times. It's just so thin now, I just can't get it to weld. This used to be a bolt. It's just a little string left of it from all the rust. And this was about $300 for the whole works here. Paid $60 extra to get stainless steel at the end there. This is all off eBay. This is from Fast and Furious, this catalytic converter. Looks like it's going to fit well. I had a kind of a bad experience with them on these catalytic converters for the Jeep. This has got a band clamp here, and it's really hard to get the seal even when things are perfect. And the diameter of this flange is about a quarter inch more than the old one here. And on top of that, this flange has got a little bit of a wave to it where they bent it, and so I don't even know with the wave if it would seal, but it certainly won't seal with this larger diameter. So I don't know what to do exactly. I think I might try to cut this off and have it welded back on this one, so I have a good seal. I have other ones in there now that don't seal, but that's a different story. One other thing on this is I had bad oxygen sensor, and you can really see the effect of the black soot here from being too rich. So it's good to have the oxygen sensors working. Well, I went to dry fit everything, and of course, as with anything from eBay, it doesn't work. They forgot to expand this pipe on the end so it'll fit here. I got a hold of them, and they didn't believe me, but they checked their stock and said, oh yeah, they sent me a $10 credit, which doesn't really help much when you're in the middle of a project and the car is torn apart. And then the gaskets that came with the catalytic converter were bent from the way they shipped them. I tried to straighten them the best I could. And it'll probably be okay, but I'd rather not take chances, because if it's not okay, it's a ton of work to change it. So they could have spent 2 minutes to put these on a piece of cardboard or something so that they wouldn't get damaged in shipment. And then the other thing they did is they have that damn shipping tape all over them I had to peel off. And they also put the shipping tape on the flange, which I don't like because I want to make sure that seals, so I had to get all that off. And then I found that the holes in the new catalytic converter are monsters compared to the original, and I'm sure that makes it easier. It probably fits different size bolt patterns and so on, but it's really, the bolts aren't really designed to hold it from sliding side to side. They're designed to hold it from going away. They're in tension, so it's not quite as good. On the plus side, I can probably adjust things a little bit to make it fit if there's any other problems, but not exactly perfect. So I got a tailpipe expander. I'm going to try to fix the pipe problem, and hopefully that's the last issue. Okay, I've got the expander in there and tried to clamp the pipe to the table. I'm not sure if I'm able to hold this or not, but give it a try. I'm not cutting reliefs in here yet. I'm going to try it without. Okay, relief slots are now cut in there. I couldn't do it without them. Actually, this thing slipped here. This nut slipped, and just too much force, I guess, or a cheap tool. Okay, exhaust is in. Didn't go too bad. I ended up splicing that piece. I couldn't get the expander to work, so I have a little coupling piece there.